by fasting. Its advantages could be divided into three different categories: medical, social, and most importantly, spiritual. According to the old and new medical researches, overeating is the problem of many major diseases. That's why constraining from food or fasting has a sublime impact on the treatment of diseases like sugar, heartburn, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Also, you probably already know that your digestive system is very sensitive, and you keep it running most of the time in a year, so it also needs to have some rest. Socially speaking, our society is divided into different classes. Some are rich, wealthy, and others are poor, needy, and living a destitute life. A rich can only understand the situation of a poor when he himself stays in that state of mind. So we can also deduce that fasting also helps in reducing the gap between different classes. The most important advantage of fasting is to strengthen our power of decision making, as by fasting we get trained to balance our desires. It's basically controlling our desires which differentiates us from animals. Now it's you who have to decide what kind of person you want to be. A person who is slave of his desires, who wants to quit smoking but can't, who wants to quit drinking but can't, who wants to stop overeating but can't. A person who can easily be distracted from his values, aim, belief, and religious practices. Or you want to be a person who is master of his desires, who makes firm and right decisions at right time, who stands firm on his belief, practices, and ambitions, no matter what the circumstances are. I'll make it easier for you. On one hand, there's a tree which has access to water around the clock, as it is beside a lake, river, or a stream. And on the other hand, there's a tree which is in a jungle, desert, or mountain, prone to face gales, storms, cyclones, dawn to dark sunlight, and extreme cold weather. Now, the first kind of tree would wither if it has no access to water just for a few days. But the second kind of tree is used to resisting and withstand hardships, as it is more durable and enduring. Fasting does the same with the body and soul of a human being. Through abstaining and prohibiting, one strengthens the power of self-restraint, self-control, which helps in making wise, sensible, and just day-to-day judgments.